Hello, hello, hello. Hey, it's Catherine Chess, your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And today I'm cooking up some amazing Dahl. This is the easiest Dahl recipe I've ever used. So it's kind of cool because I always, make it real elaborate, but this is yummy. I have olive oil in here and I'm going to add some garlic. Now, when I put the garlic in, you don't want to leave it in the oil very long. It will burn so fast. So just chop up 3 cloves of garlic and throw them in the olive oil. And you just have to stir this around for about 30 seconds. And then easy peasy, you put in the seasonings. This is curry, cumin, a little chili pepper. It's got some curry flakes, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to, and some paprika. So I'm going to throw that in, just some good Indian spices. I put the spices in here with the oil because when you cook it like that, it gets so fragrant and it actually makes your dish just a little more fragrant. Then you throw in a can of tomatoes. You could do chopped fresh tomatoes, but I like making things kind of easy. Just make sure this is BPA free and it says that it's organic and you're good to go. These are diced tomatoes. So I'm going to throw those in. You hear it sizzle? Pretty cool, right? I want to get everything in the can. So I'm going to pull the rest out. And then I'm going to throw in mung beans. These are amazing. Now, the recipe called for lentils, but my Whole Foods was out of lentils. So I'm using mung beans, and actually, sometimes they're a little bit better. They've got a little bit more flavor. So I'm putting mung beans in, and then I'm putting an entire can of coconut. This should be coconut milk, but I decided to use coconut cream. See, this is the coconut cream. It's the thick stuff that goes to the top. It just makes it a little more yummy, a little more creamy, a little more delicious. So I stir that in, and the recipe didn't call for this, but you know me, I like to eat 7 to 10 cups of vegetables a day. So I'm throwing in a whole bunch of kale. So the kale's going in, and you can put the kale in from the get-go, and then I'm just going to let this boil up, and we're going to have our dal. So once I'm done, I'm going to show it to you, and I'm going to top it with some cilantro, scored another vegetable. So come back and check out the finished product. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and really love your life. And did you see how fast this went together? Fast, fun, and fabulous foods. That's what it's all about. And sometimes you might not have enough liquid in here, so you can always add a little water if you want. Really good stuff. Enjoy this dish, and if you make it, please let me know how it went. Bye-bye. Love you. Bye. Okay, I've got the doll. Here's the doll. It's so darn good. I've dressed it up a little bit with some cilantro on top, and you can see in the beans, in the lentils, or the mung beans, you've got the tomatoes, so it's real colorful. Remember, you need to eat all the colors of the rainbow. So make this, enjoy it, and let me know how it goes. It's a tasty treat, and it's quick, fast, and fun. So enjoy it. I'm Catherine Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. I help you to rebalance your hormones, renew your energy, and really love your life. And more importantly, I help you to love yourself. Go out and love yourself. Bye-bye.